Okay guys, we got a 2016 Ford Explorer here with the 3.5. It's throwing a P as in Paul 04db Delta Bravo, P04 Delta Bravo. That code, the first thing you want to check, simple things. Pull your dipstick tube out and check the seal on it. This is a crankcase ventilation code. You can also check the oil cap, make sure it's sealing. This PCV valve vent tube. The PCV valve's inside this valve cover, and on this one it sits on top of it, and there's a line that goes across. Check those, make sure they're all clear, and you want to check this sensor. But if you see this, look at all this acid. If you see this, let me show you what the code reader shows. Results for OBD2 permanent codes, p04db crankcase ventilation system disconnect. The biggest repair, clean battery terminals. So we're gonna start there. We're gonna clean it up. Where this thing's putting out 14.9 volts. We know the alternator is good. This battery was weak, we had to jump it. So before we jump into all that, we can check those O-rings and seals. First thing we want to do is let's pop a battery in this. Let's clear everything, start fresh, run it 15-20 minutes and see if that comes back. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always guys, enjoy.